So I got a piece of leaf spring steel. We're gonna go ahead and heat that up. I'm gonna try to turn it into a knife. There we go. Starting to get into some really good charcoal here. It'll still work. It's gonna be a lot more work. Like the look of that. There you go, one hole drawn. 3 holes. Now it's time to harden it. When you get high carbon steel glowing hot and then cool it down suddenly, it becomes harder. There we go. Well, it's not exactly razor sharp, but I got an edge on it.